As you can see, I've earned $200 already and it's processing. I'm just waiting for cash out time. This game is just easy. You play it and you earn real money. First of all, I'll show you how to download the application and walk you through how the game works. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Okay, let's go over to the Play Store and learn how to install it. First, you come over to Play Store and you search for Crazy Drop. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and like the video to help me make more videos like this. Okay, this is Crazy Drop. I've already installed it in your phone. If it's your first time, you should see install button. So when you press install, it will not take time. It will install instantly and you will see play like this. So right now I'll just click on play. I've already installed it and it's already running. It's very easy to play. Just touch on these edges and these balls be dropping from the top. This is the amount of balls remaining. It's remaining 120 right now, so we're touching and it will be falling. And this is the dollars I've earned for this game, and this is the cash out page. As you can see, this $200 is processing. I'm waiting for the cash out time, and once you're done with the game and you have earned enough money right here, then you come over to this, touch this PayPal icon and you bring it to the cash out page. And this is where you are required to get 500 US dollars to apply for this amount. And this is the bonus area where you get your daily spin, and this is the gift card you get, and these are the prizes you win when you pick up the items that are displayed on the screen. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give it a like button.